All right, welcome everyone to another roundtable with the attorneys where we're going to answer a bunch of questions about workers' compensation. We have Chris Gifford, Tom Holder, and Natalie Elkins here from Gerber and Holder. The first thing we're going to really talk about is what is going on with the COVID-19, sort of an update on what's happening with workers' compensation and COVID-19. And we'll start with Natalie. Natalie, what have you heard from different doctors on how they're proceeding and what they're doing at the present time?
Well, doctors are certainly starting to see patients in the office more frequently. A few weeks ago, our clients were really relying on video appointments, but they're now actually getting to be seen by their doctors. And medical procedures are going forward. I'm hearing from one area doctor, at least, that one of their hospitals is testing everybody having a procedure, which is certainly excellent for all of our clients, and also the physicians involved to know whether or not they're treating someone who's tested positive. So it's great to see things moving forward. We continue to keep everybody updated.
And we know that Governor Kemp has said that elective surgeries can take place during the current time, and you're seeing clients being scheduled for surgeries right now?
I am. I have a few clients having surgeries in the upcoming weeks. I think we all have at least one or two clients who've had a procedure within the week as well.
Chris, once again, Governor Kemp has basically said to reopen the economy. Are you seeing anyone being called back to work? And if they are being called back to work, what are you advising your clients?
Yes, I have had a couple of clients who recently have been instructed to return to work. They've been out of work for the last couple of weeks and receiving unemployment benefits, but their company is opening back up. And, frankly, they are scared to go back to work, which is completely understandable in the current environment, because the COVID cases are still out there, and particularly places where large numbers of people are confined together, the disease appears to continue to be spreading. So if you are asked by your employer to return back to work during this time period, you need to speak with a lawyer before doing so.
Yeah, and we are here and we're available to talk to you about your case and the specifics. Tom, the State Board of Workers' Compensation has recently made some changes in terms of how they're doing things. Can you talk a little bit about that, please?
Yes, well, of course, the appellate arguments have been going forward now by Zoom, but now the board has recently instituted a policy to have Zoom hearings when all parties are agreeable to it. I'm still quite not sure how that's going to work. For example, we were talking before, if we have an all issues case, I'm not quite sure why the other side would agree to have a hearing. Or if when somebody wanted to try to have a hearing to have our client's benefits cut off, there's really no advantage to it. So I'm curious to see how it works, but I do applaud the state board for trying to come up with some solutions for moving the state board's work forward at this time.
I think the general conclusion from everyone's discussion here is that workers' comp, the process is starting to pick up, and we're starting to sort of see things return back to normal in the workers' compensation sphere. Now, listen, things are not normal. I understand that, but at least with regards to workers' compensation, we're seeing surgeries, we're seeing return to work, and we're seeing the ability to have hearings at the State Board of Workers' Compensation. If anyone has any questions about workers' comp or about their case, please don't hesitate to contact us at Gerber and Holder. We can be reached at 678-802-8650 or on the website www.gerberholderlaw.com. Thanks, everybody.